How to day trade for beginners. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can day trade for beginners. Now, day trading, especially for beginners, requires a careful consideration and an understanding of a risk involved. Here is a beginner's guide to day trading using the Robinhood app. First of all, you need to open an account. So for that, you need to sign up for Robinhood account and get it approved for day trading, which means that you need to verify your account. Along with that, you also need to buy crypto. Once you've created your account and also got it approved, now you need to familiarize yourself with Robinhood's interface, tools, and order type. After that, you need to understand how to place trades, set stop loss, and use charts for technical analysis as well. After that, you need to choose a trading strategy that suits your risk tolerance and performances as well. You can start with the simple strategies like trade following or monuments trading before trying complex ones. You can use Robinhood's paper trading features for a demo account to practice without risking real money as well. You can test your strategies, learn from mistakes, and refine your approach as well. You can also set a daily loss limit and stick to it. Use stop loss order to minimize potential loss, and begin with small positions and gradually increasing your trade size as you gain confidence and experiences. Determine entry and exit points before placing an order. Stick to your trading plan and avoid emotional decisions and all sort of things. You can also seek guidance and community. You can join online trading communities or forums to learn from others and exchange ideas. You can consider seeking advice from experienced traders or financial advisors. So that's basically how you can day trade for beginners. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.